Hello friends, and this is CA Rajiv Khatlawala here again. And a couple of days back, we had analyzed the Nifty index, and we had indicated in that analysis that we are likely to test the 6400 levels in a couple of sessions. And fortunately, yesterday's gap open after the big political development. The markets opened in a gap at around 6400, which was our target, and thereafter they have fallen since yesterday, and today also they have tested a lower, the markets remained lower, and they have tested around 6300 levels before closing at around 6330. Now, what has happened is that the markets has created what is called an exhaustion gap. This is the daily chart of the Nifty, and what it has created is called an exhaustion gap. This gap, a huge gap which was created, is called an exhaustion gap because first of all, the basic characteristic of an exhaustion gap is that it occurs normally at a peak, and this is in fact the all-time high of the market. So the importance of this exhaustion gap increases, and exhaustion gap, the word tells you that these are gaps created during the market peaks, where the market is about to get exhausted after a good run up in prices, and that is why they are called the exhaustion gaps. This gap has a couple of characteristics, and that is that subsequent price movements on the downside would be such that whatever gaps has been created in between, for example, from 6200 till 6240 there was one gap. Similarly, here also we are observing at around 6080 levels also we are seeing a couple of gaps. The basic idea is that the gaps will get filled up in the next few sessions. Unfortunately, we do not know the time. We cannot define the time horizon when this gaps will be filled up, but we can at least expect that it should happen in the next couple of weeks. Second characteristic is that I'll just draw the trend line. In fact, this was the trend line which I had drawn earlier also. If you remember, we had drawn this channel, and that is how the 6400 target had come in. Now, if you observe, the currently the support line for this channel is at 6274, safely 6270, and therefore watch out for the level of 6270 and a break below this 6270 level, incidentally, which is also the gap area. We can expect a further fall in the prices, at least to fill up the previous gaps of the last few days. This is as far as the basic analysis is concerned. Let us see also one more broader level which we should keep in mind. And if I join the previous two lows, significant lows here, what we observe is that the market can have a major support area near the 6080 levels, and that is where we should, in case you are short selling at the current juncture, this is where you should book your profits and wait for further signals. And that is all for today. I hope this particular session on the exhaustion gap has been beneficial to you. Let us see how the markets work out this particular exhaustion gap in the next few sessions. Thanks a lot once again, and keep watching this analysis. Thank you.